You're testing your email campaigns and then suddenly you press send email and the email is sent directly towards the customer with the email formatting totally wrong, or you forgot to link the button to a specific website, to your call to action, or something like this in particular. Well, I know it has happened to me many times and it is really frustrating. It looks totally unprofessional and you just need to apologize over and over again. So to prevent this, PitchGround is launching a fantastic platform called MailNest that allows you to set up testing email accounts where you can send all your test email campaigns to. So let's dive in and take a look. So once inside the dashboard, you will come to this overview, totally blank, and the only thing you need to do is set up your inbox. So let's go to add an inbox, give it a name. Then once done, just press add inbox and that's it, you're done. How easy is this? Once done, we can go inside the inbox itself. And from here, we will be able to set up our SMTP settings. So every email is going to be sent through this email. It's going to be redirected back towards MailNest. So instead of going towards the customer, accidentally pressing the test email campaign, it all ends up inside of your own MailNest demo account. So let's go and insert these credentials inside of a email marketing platform. To send emails, I am using a platform called UChat. And you can use any platform that you want to. I will just go to my integrations, my SMTP settings, and from here I can set up my SMTP profile. I can go with a new SMTP profile. I need to have the email server. So let me just fill in all the credentials and come back to you. So now that I set up everything for the SMTP profile, let's create this. You can see the profile has been created and I'm now able to use it. So let's go to one of my chatbots. Let's log in. And then let's send a test email campaign. So from this point, I will just select my email, right, that I set up from a MailNest. And now I'm safely able to just send an email to a user's email. In this case, this will be my user's email. And I already set something up really quick. And this is everything you need to do. So instead of going to the customer's email, it should end up inside of your own inbox. So let's preview this and let's test it out. If we take a look, this is an email variable system field that is logged into my profile. So if we take a look under my profile, you will see that this will be my email. It should be sent to this email. But instead, if we go back to MailNest, you will now see that we have the email sent back to us instead. So are we on for today's meeting? If we take a look inside, so you will see that where the email should have been sent, you will see the date, and you will see the HTML preview. You can also see the HTML source if you want to. You can see any attachment if there are any attachments inside to note. You can also see the device preview. So this way you can also test if your email looks good on all devices. So this is a desktop, this is a medium tablet, and this is, for example, a mobile. And you will get a nice frame around it as well. You can also view the spam analytics. So if we take a look here, you can see this email will be marked as spam by most of the email clients. And you will see everything that has happened with this email. HTML only messages, but there's no HTML tag. So there could be a potential indicator that something could end up in the spam. You will also see that it lacks brackets, and HTML only message contains an external image. And a lot of tracking software like ActiveCampaign, MailChimp as well have certain images that are basically hidden, that they won't show up inside of an email, and that could be marked as spam and could result in the email ending up in the spam folder. So you can test your entire email this way, and instead of sending it towards that particular customer instead, and it will end up in your MailNest, and you can take a look at how it looks like. So with MailNest, you never have to worry again about sending an email towards a customer that has not been properly prepared yet, and you just want to test an email campaign itself. With MailNest, you can also see whether or not the spam score will be so high that it will most likely end up in the spam folder, yes or no, and you can adjust your emails and your marketing campaigns accordingly. So be sure to grab yourself a copy of MailNest today. The link will be on top and in the video description, and give it a try yourself. Have a great day. Take care. Talk soon.